everybody, my name is Kenton DeYoung. This is Kenton DeYoung Travel, and today we are doing part 3 of our Unboxing Canada YouTube series. So for those unfamiliar with the series, we're trying to open a box from every province and territory across Canada. We've done one from Yukon Territory, we've done one from Manitoba, and now we're doing one from right here in Saskatchewan. So the lovely folks over Tourism Saskatchewan sent me this box 5 months ago? I don't want to say it was that long I've been sitting on it, but I got it in September. I want to say before my trip to the Yukon, and now it is late January, so maybe. So it's kind of like a time capsule. I have no idea what's inside of it, and I hope it's not food or drinks. However, the folks over at Tourism Sask did tell me that usually, like, you can buy with these boxes, you can usually buy the stuff at like a local gift shop or something. But they told me specifically that nothing in this box is purchasable to the public. So I have no idea what it is, right? If you enjoy this YouTube series and you want to see me unbox the remaining 10 provinces and territories, please like, please subscribe, and do all that stuff. We are filming this now inside the Scarth Street studio, right above Scarth Street. I've always wanted to kind of shoot here. You see some cool artwork on the walls behind me. I might do some more videos here in different places. You can kind of see how the place looks. But anyway, lovely studio. I absolutely love the Scarth Street studio. It's art studio downtown Regina. But with all that out of the way, thank you so much to Tourism Sask for the box, and thank you for the Scarth Street studio for letting me shoot here. Now let's open up the box and see what's inside. So here is the box, Kenton DeYoung, from many months ago. Again, I'm so sorry, Tourism Sask. I was so excited to do this, and it's just, life has just gotten crazy. And in typical Kenton sense, I don't have a knife to cut this with. I'll be right back. I think we got it this time, so let's see what's inside this box. Hi again, it's me from the future. So when I was leaving Scarth Street Studio, I realized that this thing on the box isn't just my name. It's actually a card. So we're gonna open it now, and we're gonna go back to the rest of the video in a moment. Sorry, Tourism Sask, I didn't even notice it was a card. Let's see what it says inside. Tourism Saskatchewan, Canada. Kenton, best of luck with your Unboxing Canada series. Thanks for all that you do in promoting Saskatchewan, the Tourism Saskatchewan team. Thanks, Tourism Sask. Sorry it took me so long to do this video. Anyway, we're going to go back to the original video now. Thanks again for this. Right off the bat, we've got some postcards. Here's one of a couple sitting on some rocks. I want to say that looks like Cypress Hills, maybe? Beautiful shot. Here's some people hiking, probably to Gray Owl's cabin. I've done that hike couple times now. Here's at the RCMP Heritage Center, or here, sorry, the RCMP Depot in Regina. This one is a really nice field. You can tell it's autumn in the sense of me because you have like the mustard seed, I think, and you have the blue flowers. Then we have this cream colored tissue paper. Get that out of the way. Start with this. This Len Thompson original series, Hooked on Saskatchewan fishing hook. I guess it was probably like fishing season when they gave me this box. It's not so much now unless I want to go ice fishing. Oh, so something on the back. It says, since 1929, Len Thompson has earned a legendary reputation for producing classic fishing lures. With unrivaled action and exceptional durability, Len Thompson spoons get results in a variety of fishing situations. Legendary performance since 1929. I haven't gone fishing since I caught that giant prehistoric fish in near Medicine Hat. What was it? A sturgeon. I caught those giant sturgeon near Medicine Hat. And that was like the best thing I'm going to catch. It was just this, I think it was over 100 pounds. It was huge. And I've never gone fishing since. So now I have a reason to go fishing because I have a Lamb Thompson fishing hook. This one. Sask Little Town Apparel. This, hold it up so you can see it. It's looks like it's a t-shirt wrapped up in a tube. This is a tribute to towns far and wide and to small town people with huge hometown pride, where you get called by name and recognize faces, and you know how to get to everyone's places, where tightly knit people all come together, and your community pride will connect you forever. Where no matter the size, your town is the best. So here's to telling your town story on your chest. So let's see what it is. We'll just do it like this because I apparently can't unwrap things very good. Little Town on the Prairie, apparel, and it's a Sask Explorers t-shirt. It's okay. Thank you, Jessica. Thank you, Tourism Sask, for this shirt. I think you guys did ask me what size I wore. Let's see what size it is. Large. Perfect. Thank you, Tourism Sask. Actually, it's so funny. A couple years ago, I got some t-shirts from Tourism Sask, and I actually had the sleeve get torn up in the washer, and they wouldn't give me a new one because they didn't, like, they're limited edition, right? So this is so good that now I have a new shirt because I really missed that one. So we have another package here, but before we do it, we're going to see what else they sent me because they have some papers in here. So they sent me the Saskatchewan official road map, which is great because I got that road map from Travel Yukon. So this is great. Now I have two maps. I think the last map I got was when I was in Cubs like 20 years ago. So I think it's updated a bit. I should probably compare the two, see how they look different now. That's your traditional map of Saskatchewan. Up here you got Prince Albert National Park. And then here you got Saskatoon. Up here, where is it? There's the Cumberland House, which means Cretin is right here. This is where I had that incident last 2 years ago. I went to go see the Cretin crevices, whatever they're called. Down here is where I am, in Regina. Thank you for the map, Tourism Sask. I said that I think the last map I got like this was when I was in Cubs, about 20 years ago. Even if I still have it. And there's also this book, 2021 Saskatchewan. Last year. This is my bad. Sorry, Tourism Sask, but I'm sure these places are still there. Stay open to making new discoveries in your own backyard. I can't read it backwards. So it looks like it's like maps. Here's a map of southern Saskatchewan, something to see in southern Saskatchewan. I've never seen this book before. Something to see when the snow falls. Well, that's timely because there's certainly a lot of snow out there right now. Eyes to the sky and Cypress Hills. I've always wanted to go to the Dark Sky Preserve out there. Tried that one time when I was on the West Block in Alberta. It was nice, but I hear the one in Saskatchewan's way better. Patosh, always want to go to Patosh. It's like on my bucket list of places to see in Saskatchewan. And now the Alive Sky Lodge, been incredible. It's like that, they converted those old grain bins into little cabins. Northern Saskatchewan. I should spend more time up north. Top travel in northern Saskatchewan. Prince Albert National Park, Candle Lake Provincial Park, Elk Ridge Resort, Boreal Trail. This is so cool. Oh, here's like The Trio 6 Adventure Park in Waskesiu. Always want to go there too. I think we have one near Regina, we used to, but it just looks so cool. I also think there's one near Cypress Hills too. Oh, and here's I think one of the Authentics. I stayed in one of those when I was in Riding Mountain in Manitoba. Very cool. I love the Authentics. Regina, all right. Hey, look who that is! That's Kevin Dunn. That's my friend Kevin. Look at that. Kevin's not gonna see this video, but if you do, Kevin, you're in the book. Here's Dandy's. I love going to Dandy's, getting ice cream from them.
Oh, yeah.
Here's Parasol. I actually do a lot of shopping there in Lumsden, usually in the fall.
Oh,
I go there once in a while. Saskatchewan.
oh, because I make you.
Yeah. I actually don't spend enough time in Saskatoon. Dakota Dunes Resort and Casino. Never been there. Never been to the country club. A lot of places I still have to see in Saskatchewan. Black Fox Farm and Distillery. The Night Oven Baker. We should do an article about Saskatoon. We haven't done one since like 2016 or so. Contact information. Nice. In case you didn't know where it was, that's where Saskatchewan is. Quick facts. Here's a couple quick facts about Saskatchewan. Saskatchewan's population reached 1,177,884 in 2020. That's a lot of people. The capital city is Regina, population of 263,000. Oh, I thought we were only 250,000. So I guess we got more people now. And then there's Saskatoon with over 300,000, as always. Cypress Hills is 1,392 meters above sea level, the province's highest elevation point. And actually, when I was in Cypress Hills, but on the Alberta side, you can see it in the United States. You can see so far from up there. Because mostly it's prairie, right? So there's not a whole lot of things getting right. You can see so far. National distinctions. We read a couple of these. The T-Rex skeleton excavated near East End in 1994 to 1995 is one of only 20 such discoveries in the world. I think it's actually the biggest dinosaur too. I think it's what they have on their Facebook and everything. It's the biggest dinosaur, the biggest T-Rex. It's a big girl. She's a girl, by the way. 21 archaeological dig sites unveil the past at Waniskuwin, a national historic site that echoes the stories of indigenous people who gathered, hunted, and worshipped here as long as 6,000 years ago. And that's a place I've wanted to go for years, and I just never get there. And they've invited me on Twitter, like, come on down, and I will promise you I will go there sometime. Just haven't got there yet. So the last thing they sent me, let's see what this is. I think it's a water bottle. What's so heavy? Explore Sask. That makes sense. Explore Sask. And look at it. You got like, it almost looks like it's 3D with the trees and the sun and the buildings. That's cool. Very cool. It's just like the bottle they sent me from Travel Manitoba, but this is from Tourism Sask. So of course I want to be using this one from now on. So thank you so much, Tourism Sask, for sending me this package. This is really fun. I really enjoyed this. I got some great stuff. I don't know what to do with these postcards because I just did that Yukon postcard thing like last month. I'll hold on to these for a bit. I'm sure I'll find some use for these, and for the map, and for everything else. So thank you so much, Tourism Sask, for sending this to me. If you enjoyed this video, you want to see the remaining 10, if I ever am able to do them all, please like, please subscribe, please share this to your friends and family. And if you're from any of the other provinces or territories, which isn't Yukon, Manitoba, or Saskatchewan, please let me know, and I'd love to find some way to showcase your province in my YouTube series. So, as always, my name is Kenton DeYoung. This is Kenton DeYoung Travel. We're filming this inside the Scarlet Street studio. I always forget what it's called. Thank you so much to them for letting us use their space, and thank you so much to Jessica for her help in the video. And we will see you next time, which will probably be here because I like the space a lot. see how the video and audio all worked out. But we'll see you sometime, probably shortly, because I got quite a few things kind of in the works right now. So I'll see you sometime, somewhere, wherever that is. Bye, guys.